Hello and welcome to the Tips Library. Today's tip is cleaning your stamping trimmer, or any trimmer really. When we use our trimmer all the time, it can get quite mucky and it can get quite dirty, and we do need to clean it. So the things that I use: a pair of paper snips, or something that's going to get into the grooves, some paper towel, kitchen towel, and I use surgical spirits because it cleans absolutely beautifully and it takes every single little mark off. So if we just start with, we just need to take a little bit of this onto our cloth, and we're just going to start with the marks with little bits of glue and things like that, and just literally give it a good wipe across, and you can see all of these nasty little marks are coming off. So go all over the surface. I've been doing this since I've had my trimmer, which is several years now, and because surgical spirits is an alcohol, it basically takes every single little mark off. So you can see, absolutely filthy. So we do that bit first, then I'm going to turn it round so you can see on here. It's quite difficult to get it all into the shot. You have the track which runs down. Let me get it, take it up. The track comes off, and as you can see, you get all sorts of bits and pieces of fluff and stuff like that inside. So I'm just going to go into the inside groove of that piece and just wipe that down and take all the pieces out of there first. I'll get it right down. This is where the paper snips will come in handy, because if you just push it down, you can get right into that little groove and clean it down. And then I'm going to go into this side as well and give that a good clean. To the top, and give that a clean. And I want to give the track itself a good clean. This, move those down, and you can see you get an awful lot of little fluff and lint from the paper that comes off as you're working, and you can do this as often as you want. I tend to use it probably once every, I don't know, once a month maybe, and I am using my trimmer every single day. And you can take this piece out by literally just lifting it up at either side, and then that comes off. And again on the other side, I was doing a planner the other day and I managed to get some glue on this part, and again it lifts, whether it's Tombow that's stuck on there, whether it's the tape runners, it will clean all of this off beautifully. So as I say, take it down, moving your track pieces as you go. So giving that a clean. Let's move this one down as well. Arm that up. Give that a good clean as well. Okay. You can go around the outside pieces here. Then let's have a look at this little track. Now I'm going to put it in there because it makes it easier to do it. And the first thing I do is to get a scrap of paper and to run it down the track first of all. And as you can see, as you run it down, and I get it to the bottom, let's see if I can show you. You have all of these tiny little pieces of fluff which come from the paper. Then if you take your cloth with your Surgical Spirits in, give it a wipe, and then you're going to take it and very carefully just put it through on that exact groove, and you can see all the tiny little pieces of fluff that are coming out, or little remnants of paper. And do that on there. So again, you can see all sorts of different colours and things that have come off, and then, as I say, just give it a quick wipe. Then what I do is I take a completely clean cloth and then just rub it through. Surgical Spirits evaporates very quickly, so it doesn't leave any residue on there. Then you can just put your little piece in on here, put that back in, so it comes, and you have, I've just missed a little piece on there, I can just see it up there. Give that another little rub on there. Oh, maybe it's on the top. No, it's just in underneath there. So again, just wipe it through. That's better, lovely and clean. And you then have a beautiful clean trimmer. You will find that it now cuts far better and smoother because you've cleaned it. So that's my tip for today. Surgical Spirits. You can get this in the UK very easily from most of the supermarkets, and it costs a couple of pounds, so it's not an expensive thing, and it keeps your trimmer lovely and clean. So that's my tip for today. Do join me again for the next tip. Bye bye.